We're at Oishi Thai in North Miami. This is our favorite sushi spot by far.
We are here for Chef B, the one and only. We're gonna be drinking some sake, and we're gonna be trying out the Killer Bee.
Here's the man himself, Chef B.
I'm really shy. I'm the shy guy.
Yeah, right.
He's not shy.
And I work out. Come and try Saké Bomb. Party's right here with Chef B.
So we're starting the night off with the Killer Bee cocktail. This is the main event. This is what we come here for. This cocktail is actually not even on the menu. You have to know Mr. Chef B himself. This is something that he treats to his friends.
Yes, so if you come here, you have to order it. It's delicious.
Request it.
Yes, it's a special request. Tell them the Thirsty Bartender sent you. Thank you.
Look at how gorgeous.
Oh, wow. So excited.
So this cocktail is made with lemongrass, kaffir lime leaf, Thai bird chili, and lemon juice. And then either gin or sake. You can pretty much do any base with this one, but I think today we're trying it with gin. It's also known as the
Fuck you, sue me.
Okay?
So if you want to get this cocktail, you can either say Killer Bee or Killer Bee or Fuck you, sue me. A lot of Thai ingredients in this. Love it. I know why it says I know why it's a Killer Bee because it's a little spicy. You know? It's got a little kick. Next up is the Yuzumi shot. This is a vodka, yuzu, and lychee shot, and I'm so excited. Let's do this. Cheers.
Ready or not, here I come.
Yuzumi.
So good.
That was delicious. I think I'm ready to eat now. I feel like we definitely have to do some beef jerky.
Beef jerky is my
because
favorite.
That one is amazing. I feel like everyone loves the beef jerky here.
So Chef B's beef jerky is the best beef jerky you will ever eat in your life.
Hands down.
Often imitated, never duplicated.
So we're about to try our favorite dishes here. The beef jerky, her favorite dish,
The bok choy.
and then we've got some leek dumplings, which are vegan.
Gotta dip it in the sauce. You gotta get that sauce, okay? That sauce. Gotta get that sauce.
Sauce is major key.
It's so good.
This has garlic chips in it. It's really crispy. I tried to make it at home and I failed.
It's sweet. I love that it's the sauce. What's the sauce?
Our secret sauce.
It's a secret sauce. We cannot talk about it. So, but it's really good. They are the perfect appetizer.
Wow.
Wow. Fire. So you'll do that and then I'll pour it.
Yes.
Yeah? Here.
Pour, you just pour this side, okay? Let it pour, don't go around, okay?
Okay, so
Ready?
Wow.
Cholo, fresh truffle, caviar.
You heard it. First time ever. Innovative.
I'm excited. Can I eat it now?
Okay, so first of all, this is bluefin tuna. This is actually the fatty part of the fish. This is the toro, the most expensive, luxurious part of the fish.
This is like just a bougie item because there's caviar also in this.
Got some truffle, black truffle, not just any truffle. And then we've got some ponzu sauce.
Cheers. Oh my God.
It's so
amazing.
soft.
It's like a pillow in my mouth.
No más.
Se acabó. Wow, that is the most beautiful presentation I have ever seen.
Gorgeous.
Best of Miami since 2005.
Do you want to try seaweed?
Yeah, try it.
I love seaweed.
Everything's here.
I've never seen it like this though.
Yeah, look at this seaweed, guys. Here we go. Wagyu.
Yummy.
It was like a love story in my mouth, and they got married, and then they had kids, and then they lived happily ever after. That's what happened in my mouth.
The steak has a bit of salt on it. It's a little salty. I like that. And then the egg on there was like runny.
Ooh, I love a runny
How about
egg.
that life? So here we have some Thai donuts. This has a drizzle of chocolate on it, powdered sugar, and in the middle is some sweetened condensed milk.
This is a sticky rice with some coconut milk and some mango. This one is the best.
This is a fried cheesecake, and then on the side there's some Oreo ice cream. And it's like, it's thick. It's almost like...
So it is sake bomb time. It is not over. We're heading outside to do some freaking sake bombs.
Let's get it.
These are the very popular and very requested sake bombs with Chef B.
This is gonna wake me up out of my food coma for sure.
Or kill us.
The highlight of tonight, Saké bomb.
Let's get it.
We're following you. Take us.
Let's do it.
I need to practice my slamming.
Slamming
My
skills.
tapping.
Ready? Come on. Look at the camera.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Hold on.
Cheers! Eye contact.
Winner! I get Thai donuts to go!
High five.
If you like good sushi and you want to slam some sake bombs, be sure to check out Oishi Thai in North Miami.
And be sure to ask for Chef B and ask for the secret cocktail on the menu, the Killer Bee. Tell them the Thirsty Bartender sent you.